Today we're going to unbox the Knick Stratos Multi multi-parameter transmitter. The Multi is a 4-wire transmitter capable of taking in up to 2 sensors for the measurements of pH, ORP, conductivity, or dissolved oxygen in any combination. It is also available with Class 1 Division 2 hazardous area approval. The backlit display, along with intuitive icons and diagrams, provides clear and intelligent diagnostics for an in-depth understanding of the health of your measurement loop. Let's take a look at what's inside the box when you receive your Stratos Multi transmitter. As you can see, we have our transmitter faceplate, our housing enclosure, which is rated NEMA 4X, an accessory bag, which includes cable glands, plugs, and a hinge pin, as well as the provided documentation, which includes an installation guide, safety instructions, and the transmitter test report. A full product manual is also available for download electronically on our website. The Stratos Multi is truly a multi-parameter transmitter. This single transmitter can be used to measure pH, ORP, conductivity, or dissolved oxygen in any combination. Let's start by taking a look at the back of the faceplate. You will notice that the electronics are enclosed to protect the circuit boards from the elements. The sensor connections are also protected from the output and power terminals. The transmitter also has a slot for an additional measuring module. This module can be purchased separately and allows for connection of an additional Memosens or analog sensor. The transmitter also has the ability to data log. Here you can see the USB memory card port. This memory card can be purchased separately. Power is supplied on the main rail. The Stratos Multi utilizes a universal power supply and can be powered anywhere from 24 volts DC up to 230 volts AC. A convenient feature that is carried through with all Knick 4-wire devices is that the transmitter is polarity insensitive. This means that either terminal can be used for the positive and negative wires. The Stratos Multi provides 3 relay contacts, which can be used for high and low limit detection as well as PID control. Any of these relays can also be assigned to alarm based off sensor health, or dedicated to trigger an automatic wash cycle. The next terminals are for the 2 digital inputs. These inputs can be used to monitor flow, change the parameter sets within the transmitter, or to place the transmitter into a hold mode for function checks. The Stratos Multi also provides up to 4 to 20 milliamp outputs, which can be set up as either active or passive outputs. The first analog output carries the HART protocol. Through HART, you are able to pull both process and diagnostic values back to your control system. Lastly, our Memosens cable connection is carried out through terminals 1 through 5. Terminal 1 is for the brown wire, Terminal 2 the green wire, Terminal 3 the yellow wire, Terminal 4 the white wire, and lastly Terminal 5 is for the clear or shield wire. Let's close up the transmitter and connect the power. The Stratos Multi has a bright, backlit, multicolored display, along with simple status icons which follow the NEMOR NE107 standard. The screen will change color and icons will appear for quick indication of a change in the sensor status. The screen is now red because our sensor is not connected. Let's connect our sensor and see what happens. When connecting to a Memosens sensor, the transmitter will display the sensor's model, serial number, manufacturer, and date and time of the last calibration. In measurement mode, the backlit display is a bright white with bold process values. The sensoface icon and measurement icon are displayed in the top left corner. Let's now review the buttons on the face of the transmitter. Starting with the left square is the menu button. This button also serves as the back button when within the different menu options. On the right-hand side of the transmitter is a soft key button. This button can be assigned to access the favorites menu, change the parameter set within the transmitter, or display a rotation of different measured values. Navigation within the different menu screens is performed with all 4 arrows. A change in numerical values or letters is done using both the up and down arrows. Last but not least, the enter button is in the middle. This button confirms any adjustment that is made. Please continue to learn more about your transmitter and how to program it for your application by watching our next video on setup and configuration of the Stratos Multi transmitter. Thank you very much for watching.